Do you like books like The Da Vinci Code but wish they had more action? Do you like books like The Bourne Identity but wish they had more codes, puzzles, and esotericism? Well, let me introduce you to Scott Mariani and his character Ben Hope. The Alchemist's Secret is the first book in the Ben Hope series. I started reading the series about 10 years ago, but 3 or 4 books in, I was struggling to find the new releases in any of my local bookshops or libraries, so I ended up fading away from it. Nowadays though, the series is much more popular and access is a lot easier. So, with all that said and done, what's this book about? Ben Hope is a former elite SAS soldier tortured by a tragedy from his past, who now devotes his life to rescuing kidnapped children. But when Ben is recruited to locate an ancient manuscript which could save a dying child, he embarks on the deadliest quest of his life. This was a good, fun read, and even though I've read it before, it was long enough ago that I'd forgotten most of the story. It's a pretty straightforward story, and apart from a couple of flashbacks, everything develops in a point A to point B fashion. It's a little bit cheesy in parts with the love interest sections, but there's enough mystery, clues, secret organizations, bad guys, and historical things hidden in plain sight to keep your imagination engaged all the way through. As I said at the start, it's a good mix of Jason Bourne-style action and Robert Langdon-style racing around and figuring things out from deep in the past. As such, I really enjoyed this and recommend it as a good mental escape.